Sometimes the inspiration for a project can be weird, and that holds true for our today's project, as it is inspired from the bubble ponytail of Jasmine Princess, and I enchanted that bubble ponytail to form the puff of the sleeve. Sounds exciting, right? So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly dive into the video. I wanted this look to go more towards that princess kind of vibe, as its source of origin as a princess. So I paired the sleeves with my basic fitted tube top, white tube top, and for the bottoms I chose a flowy taffeta skirt because this is gonna give that flounce that the princess gowns usually have. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me creating enchanted ponytail princess sleeves today. For fabric, I decided to go with taffeta, as taffeta is a stiff fabric and it's gonna make our sleeves look more fuller. So yeah, the very first step was to cut long rectangular strips of fabric. These strips are 4 in number, as I wanted 4 segments in the sleeves. You can increase or decrease the number of these strips according to your preference. The length of these strips will be same, however there will be difference in their width of about 4 inches. Taking an example, if the first strip is 16 inches, the second will be 12 inches, the third will be 10 inches, and so on. So we need to take the width in this decreasing order. Placing these strips good side to good side, I'm going to sew straight along the edges, leaving 1 inch margin. This is to create the casing for elastic. Once we are done with sewing along that edge, we will be flipping that margin that we left earlier in the downward direction, and then we will be stitching straight along that edge, creating enough room for the elastic. In the similar way, join all these strips, creating a casing in the each divided segment. So what I'm trying to say is that we need to create casing in every joint to insert elastic. Now we will be folding the top part of the sleeves to make casing for elastic, and we will be hemming the bottom part to finish off the raw edges. Now it was time to insert the elastic in all the 4 channels, and once we are done with the insertion of elastic, we will be flipping our sleeve to the wrong side, and we are going to sew in the side seams. And once we are done with sewing the side seams of the sleeve, we will be flipping it to the right side. Now it's time to embellish the sleeves. Let me tell you one thing, personally I love embellishments. That's why I decided to embellish my ponytail sleeves too. I decided to embellish the sleeves with white satin bows, as the bows are going to enhance the puff of that sleeve, and furthermore it's going to give that vibe of that ponytail sleeve. To create that bow embellishment, I took white satin ribbon, and we will be folding it this way, that is good side, kissing each other, and then we will be sewing here. Once done, we will be flipping it to the right side. Now we will be performing basting stitches in the middle of that ribbon, and we will be pulling the thread to form the shape of a bow, and then we will be securing it using needle and thread. In the similar way, we will be creating more of such bows, and then we will be sewing it in that every divided segment of that sleeve. So yeah, this is going to give our sleeves that ponytail look. Once done, we will be repeating the same procedure on the another sleeve also. And yeah, that is it for today guys. I'll see you in the next video. Kisses until next time. Bye bye sweet angels, take care. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for latest updates.